Yeah, welcome back another video. Today I'm gonna be testing my new tapo security system anyway. So basically the camera has a motion sensor AI, so we are gonna be testing. Anyway, so I'm gonna pass on only the indoor. Alright, let's trigger the alarm. It will set off all the siren. Alright, anyway. Alright guys, so I had to turn off all the siren manually anyway, so yeah. We're gonna test the last one. Here you go, let's test this one. There you go. Let's test this one. Sure. So this one has a little delay. So it should go off. There you go. Disable that. Anyway. So this one has a 5-minute cool off anyway. So I don't like why, that's why I'm switching up. So thanks for watching. Thank you, subscribe for my bye.